Hey guys, this is part 2 of the video. So watch part 1 before watching this one if you did not watch the last one, but today I just did it, so this is the part 2. So I have 60 keys left. I'm gonna try unboxing GingerBlade, as y'all know. Come on. Now we hopefully can do this. We get Holly. Come on, guys. We can do this, hopefully. Wait, why am I saying a lot of that? Guys, I just rewound the knife. Oh, we get Santa. Great, yeah. Yep. Oof. Come on. Give me a knife. Okay, this is my inventory of my godlies, if you guys did not know. I don't have that much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? I don't know why I missed it. This sucks. Nick, why you blew the bag? And guys, there's no photo of GingerBlade. I'm trying my best to find a picture of it. Hopefully I can find one today for the video where I did before and this one. Oh yes, I'll down to 55 keys. Come on, Nicholas, give me that knife. If I don't get it, I'm gonna be very upset because I traded a lot just for legendaries to get 10,000 coins for 100 keys. Yeah, we might not get it. This will suck. Don't know when I'm gonna do a part 3 if I don't get this knife. By the way, the new pack of ice in Fortnite is coming the 24th of December. It's pretty cool. I think it'll cost 25 bucks, my friend told me, because he has it. Not gonna say any names. Snowman. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? Doing keys. Okay, yeah, guys, I accidentally paused the video. By the way, I got Santa before. Wrapped. I'm gonna close my eyes. Oh, Stan. That was done. Oh, look, I need the sound of the clicks. Wait, Roblox. I don't know why it wasn't playing the sound. There's no sound of the clicks, and it goes like doo-doo, tap, 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 tap. When you unbox. Snowflake. Guys, come on, I really want that knife. If I don't get it, I'm gonna be so upset. Okay. I think this, I don't remember when it's coming out, well, when it's going away, the update. Guys, why are we not seeing it anymore, bro? Ginger's right over there. 45 keys left. Not a lot. Come on, give me Ginger, give me Ginger, give me Ginger. Darn it. I won. We're not even seeing it. I don't think we're actually gonna get it. This actually sucks. This game doo-doo. We're not seeing it anymore. And I do not know why I'm not talking loud. What'd I get? Oh, coal. Not seeing it anymore. 41 keys. We're close of not having any more keys. Okay, no way we're getting cool every time. We got Santa. Santa, give me that gaming PC for Christmas. Blade. 39 keys. Oh no! Oh no! I am boring. Okay, you know what? No. Okay. I don't know if I can get more keys. Hold up. Salvage. Imagine you could break one of your godlies and they give you like one godly ornament and it would cost 10,000 coins. 10,000. I'm gonna try getting more keys. Remove that. Chop. Back. Christmas. Christmas tree. Hey, what is it for? Oh yeah. Shops. We have how much? Oh my god, I'm lying. 43 keys. Oh wait, can I can't find it. Christmas box. Oh, I got. Whoa, why? I don't know what I do to deserve this. Oh, what the hell was that noise? Drop something. Oh no. We're only getting commons, are we? Damn, this game doo-doo. Trying to unbox it. Yay, Hulk. Holy crap. Yay. I don't know if there's gonna be a part 3 because I'm not sure if, if I'll have more keys and the video has to end. When 9 plus 10, 21, you're stupid. I was just clapping, yay. Claps. Are you kidding? No, 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 no. I'm gonna give them to my brother. All the coals I get. If I get coal again, bicycle? Okay. Holy. Yay. I'm getting frustrated from this. Sweater. I wasn't looking. Snowflake. Yay. There is gonna be a part 3. I'll try getting more knives for you guys. Or more keys. Just for part 3. Oh my god. I'm not talking because I'm mad, kind of. Icicle. 30 keys left. Or not. Give me. I'll give you a ginger. If y'all want a ginger, I'll give it to you. Just comment, I want a ginger, please. Also subscribe and watch my Twitch. I Cosmic Tuesdays, by the way. Sometimes I record it French and sometimes English. Depends who I'm playing with. Guys, I'm gonna see you in part 3, of course. Hopefully with more keys. Okay, yes, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Leave a like and subscribe. I'm gonna do a part 3 today. So goodbye. Good eye, you bloody legends.